Hey friends, so I am going to be taking out my knotless braids today, and I figured why not document the process. So I've had these braids in now for, I want to say like 3.5 weeks, maybe almost 4 weeks, and they actually look really good. There's like a little bit of frizziness, but you know, for the most part, they still look really good. But my birthday is in a few days and I want to rock the curls on my birthday, so I figured it's time for me to get rid of these lovely braids. Although I'm really enjoying them and my life has been so much easier. So I wanted to just walk you through the process of me taking out my braids. I mean, you know, it's pretty self-explanatory, but it's been a little while since we've had a key. So I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna cut them. I have these scissors right here. And I'm using scissors that actually cut hair. I'm not going to use regular scissors. You can use regular scissors. I just prefer to use scissors that actually cut hair. And I'm also going to be putting this soothing scalp exfoliating mask by Headquarters. So I'm actually going to be putting this mask on my scalp right now since my scalp is exposed, and this is a good way to help to exfoliate my scalp, get rid of any product buildup, make sure that it gets extra squeaky clean when I wash it in the shower afterwards. I just like to do this as I'm taking my hair out because, you know, it's necessary that we tend to our scalp, and I feel like this is the perfect time to do so. So I'm just going to go through and cut each piece. I'm so sad. I'm going to, I'm really sad though. If I could, like, if I had it as a wig and I could just take it off and then put it back on next week after my birthday, then I would, but you know, it's time. It's time, my friends. Personally, I love knotless braids because I feel like they don't hurt. When you put in knotless braids, I know that I've gotten my hair twisted before, I've gotten Senegalese twists before, and my scalp was on fire. Like, it hurt so bad for a few days and I was just miserable. But with knotless braids, there's no pain at all. Like, you can put your hair up right away, and I don't know, I just feel like it looks a lot more natural, and even when they start to get like a little bit like, you know, like a little frizzy and stuff like that, it still looks like it's your hair, you know what I'm saying? And this size of knotless braids is my favorite. So I guess this is kind of like medium, like medium knotless. Like, they're not huge, but they're not super tiny. And it took maybe like a little bit over 4 hours, or like close to 4 hours for me to get these done. It was pretty good. Was in and out that big, so I had enough time to go home and pack for my trip. I went to Tulum with some of my girlfriends recently, and I did share our little like mini vlog in my shorts, in my YouTube shorts, so if you haven't seen it, you gotta go check it out. It's so cute. We had such an amazing time and so much fun. I love Mexico. Tulum is great, and it was just such a nice girls trip, you know. It was good for us to finally get away together. These are some of my girlfriends who I'm really close with, but we've never traveled together before, so that was a lot of fun. My husband is coming home soon, so hopefully he can help me with this. Oh shoot, you know what I forgot to do? I was talking a big game about this exfoliator, and I didn't even put it in yet. This is what happens when you're trying to do too much. So it's very similar to like a hair mask, like a regular hair mask that you would put in your hair. It's like a nice consistency. It's not super thick, which is good, but it definitely is substantial. So I'm just gonna go and make sure I get that on all the parts of my hair. I can't believe I was talking about this mask and then went in and just started cutting my hair and didn't put it in. Once you get it in all of the parts on your head, make sure that you massage it in so that it really gets to working. My braids are out, my hair is washed. Now it's time to style it. And if you've been following me on Instagram, you know that that I have been doing twist outs recently. I just wanted to bring more moisture to my hair. I love a wash and go, but I feel like for me, a twist out is necessary in making sure that my hair is super moisture rich. So I'm just gonna go and add in my favorite leave-in conditioner. Y'all know what it is. The Kinky Curly Not Today Leave-In Detangler. And for my styling product, I'm going to use Camille Rose Curlaid Moisture Butter with green tea and jojoba. So as you can see, I've detangled my hair several times during the course of this entire tutorial, and I am really big on making sure that you're detangling your hair as you wash it, as you style it. I've found that when I detangle my hair along the way, my hair is not only more defined, but it holds the product a lot better. The product is able to get on all the strands. It feels more moisturized, and did I mention it was more defined? When you detangle your hair, I feel like it's smoothing each of the strands, so it really makes for a better base for your hair to get a nice and defined look. Last but not least, I'm going to tend to my scalp. My scalp was actually getting very dry like a few months ago, and so I've started to make sure that I'm really tending to it like I used to, because I remember I used to put castor oil on my scalp all the time, but you know, I've been slacking on that a little bit lately. So right now I'm actually adding this scalp serum by Pattern. And I like this serum because you can feel the effects right away. It's like a nice tingling sensation, and my scalp just feels like really good and rejuvenated after using it. So whenever I do a twist out these days, I've been trying to add this serum to my scalp and letting it get some TLC while I let my hair air dry. All right, we're all done. So now I'm gonna let my hair air dry overnight, I'll be back tomorrow to show you the takedown. So this is probably the first takedown final hair reveal video ever where I won't be putting on any makeup. So last night when I did my hair, you know, it was fine, but then this morning I woke up and my hair was still wet. I think it's because I didn't let my hair dry enough before I started putting the product, the styling product in it, because usually I make sure my hair dries a little bit more in the towel and then I put in like the leave-in conditioner and the styler. So my hair was still quite wet this morning and I had to finish up some work, and then I had a lash appointment. I don't know if you can see, but I got my lashes done. I had a lash appointment and then I had a nail appointment, and I've just been like out all day. So I didn't have time to film the second part of this video and put on makeup and get glam and all that stuff. So you're gonna get the real. I'm also sipping some champagne, well, some rosé, some sparkling rosé right now, because it's my birthday eve. My birthday is tomorrow, and my lovely husband got some sparkling rosé and some beautiful white roses for me, so to kind of just like kick off the birthday festivities for the weekend. So that was really sweet of him and I'm excited. But anyways, I know you're here for the hair, so I'm gonna start taking this bad boy down after I chase it. Because we never take our hair down with dry hands, I'm gonna put some oil in my hands, the oil I've been using for the past several months by Carol's daughter. And you might be asking yourself, why don't I just wait until tomorrow morning and take my hair down in the morning so it's super fresh? Well, my friend, I actually don't love day one hair. I like for my hair to be just a little bit bigger, and my hair probably won't even be as big as I want it to be tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm gonna take it out tonight, and hopefully it'll, like, you know, gain a little bit more volume overnight and as the day goes on tomorrow, so that when I have my official birthday festivities tomorrow, my hair can be a little bit more voluminous. But it's gonna be super defined, so I'm grateful for that. Right, my hair is now out, so now I'm going to separate it even more because obviously I would never just leave my hair like this. Okay, my hair is done, it's out, it's defined. I don't know why I forgot the word for a second there. It's defined, it's soft, bouncy, it smells amazing. I'm really happy because I really wanted my curls back for my birthday weekend, so I'm really excited because this look is pretty versatile. Lately I've actually been rocking it over to the side, so I'll probably tease it over to the side. Somehow tomorrow I'll figure out how to do it, but yeah, probably tease it over to the side to go with my look and whatnot, but for now we'll keep it in the middle. But yes, this is my hair and this is how I've been rocking it lately. Like I said, I've been doing twist downs lately because I just want to keep my hair nice and moisturized and make sure that it is as healthy as possible. Also, yesterday was my 5-year Big Chop anniversary. Oh my God. So I'm actually gonna do a 5-year anniversary video for next week. And in it, I'm just gonna talk about products that I love, things that I have learned along the way while being natural, some tips that I might have, and also I'll be answering a Q&A. So if you have any questions that you want me to answer on camera in my 5-year Big Chop anniversary update video next week, make sure that you leave them in the comment section below. Also, I'm going to just put out, you know, a question thing, I guess, on YouTube in case you don't do that, just for anyone else who has a question that they want me to answer. So thank you so much again for watching. I wish I could give you like a glam exit right now with like a beat face and a red lip, my usual thing, but child, I'm tired. My birthday tomorrow. This is what y'all gonna get. So thank you again for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or feedback, please be sure to leave them in the comment section below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and make sure, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you can know when my next video goes live. Thank you so much again for watching. Until next time, cheers!